Unang ilam kasing VPP nanong kram ba adan mila Bisaya moj ula bethay ke sorkar ban pensange ya kajing petrikam jong kerus sistem namar kani kan sadan kajing kta ke bejur ya kinong sungnong ha ke jela. Da ke bara ya kani kemat ha kajing yatay ke sngi bahan riu jong kedor bar mang tengka uba Bisaya moj ula ang baya ke reservation policy pementa kalabha sau putli yang kejaka na kebenta ki garu berkasi kat baya ki weipat ki long ar putli. Haka juk kapor ki MLA na kasing VPP berkentup iba Arden mela Bisaya moj ba Bright Star Well marbanyang berba adalbat nongrum ha kabagi simbentah kajing ekran balawan ra daw nong yalam kasing Kongres uba Charles Marngar henne kasngi kilawan ra da kamap jong ka jela haking dorbar thoan ban pi bakat tu kat ni kijaka balakam da ka asam ki hap hapa uput usam jong ka Meghalaya.
To raise or to speak on the issue of roster system. We don't have any intention or ill feeling against any particular community. And I would like also to express very clearly that we are not against the roster system. We are not against the roster system. However, we want that the government should put on hold the implementation of roster system pending the review of the reservation policy. We have the problem with the reservation policy, not with the roster system.
Kasing BJP yang Meghalaya kan setiap kerting